I love you.
I love you.
Good night, sleep tight.
Good night, sleep tight.
Do you need help with that?
Do you need help with that?
Can you please put this away?
Can you please put this away?
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
Would you like to play a game?
Would you like to play a game?
Don't forget your backpack.
Don't forget your backpack.
It's time to go home.
It's time to go home.
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
Can you draw me a picture?
Can you draw me a picture?
Do you want to color?
Do you want to color?
Let's build a puzzle.
Let's build a puzzle.
Please share your toys.
Please share your toys.
Use your inside voice.
Use your inside voice.
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
Be careful.
Be careful.
Don't run inside.
Don't run inside.
Say please and thank you.
Say please and thank you.
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
It's snack time.
It's snack time.
Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Look both ways before crossing.
Look both ways before crossing.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Time to clean up.
Time to clean up.
Let's make some art.
Let's make some art.
Please listen to me.
Please listen to me.
Take turns.
Take turns.
It's story time.
It's story time.
Can you find the blue crayon?
Can you find the blue crayon?
Let's play pretend.
Let's play pretend.
Put on your coat.
Put on your coat.
Do you need to use the bathroom?
Do you need to use the bathroom?
Remember to flush.
Remember to flush.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Time for a nap.
Time for a nap.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
It's okay to feel sad.
It's okay to feel sad.
Can you smile for me?
Can you smile for me?
Good morning, sweetie.
Good morning, sweetie.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
Time to get up.
Time to get up.
Let's brush your teeth.
Let's brush your teeth.
Do you want cereal or toast?
Do you want cereal or toast?
Please eat your breakfast.
Please eat your breakfast.
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
We are going to school.
We are going to school.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
How was school today?
How was school today?
Did you make any new friends?
Did you make any new friends?
Do you have any homework?
Do you have any homework?
Let's read a book together.
Let's read a book together.
It's time for dinner.
It's time for dinner.
Please wash your hands.
Please wash your hands.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Did you enjoy your meal?
Let's clean up your toys.
Let's clean up your toys.
It's bath time.
It's bath time.
Put on your pajamas.
Put on your pajamas.
Let's say our prayers.
Let's say our prayers.
Time for bed.
Time for bed.
Kick the soccer ball.
Kick the soccer ball.
Go towards the goal.
Go towards the goal.
Let's take a stroll. Let's take a stroll. Check out the flowers.
Check out the flowers.
Can you spot a butterfly?
Can you spot a butterfly?
It's time to head indoors.
It's time to head indoors.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Let's enjoy a book.
Let's enjoy a book.
Which one are you interested in?
Which one are you interested in?
Flip the page.
Flip the page.
Point at the images.
Point at the images.
What can you spot?
What can you spot?
Let's sing a tune.
Let's sing a tune.
Applaud by clapping your hands.
Applaud by clapping your hands.
Stamp your feet.
Stamp your feet.
It's dinner time.
It's dinner time.
Let's prepare the table.
Let's prepare the table.
Place the napkins on the table.
Place the napkins on the table.
Please hand me the salt.
Please hand me the salt.
Consume your veggies.
Consume your veggies.
Give broccoli a try.
Give broccoli a try.
Do you enjoy it?
Do you enjoy it?
Let's enjoy some dessert.
Let's enjoy some dessert.
What are you looking for?
What are you looking for?
Finish your food.
Finish your food.
Let's clean the dishes.
Let's clean the dishes.
Dry the dishes.
Dry the dishes.
Store them.
Store them.
It's bath time.
It's bath time.
Grab your towel.
Grab your towel.
Remember to grab the soap.
Remember to grab the soap.
Clean your face.
Clean your face.
Wash your hair.
Wash your hair.
Get dry.
Get dry.
Get ready in your pajamas.
Get ready in your pajamas.
Remember to brush your teeth.
Remember to brush your teeth.
It's bedtime.
It's bedtime.
Let's enjoy a story.
Let's enjoy a story.
Do you enjoy this one?
Do you enjoy this one?
Please switch off the light.
Please switch off the light.
Bedtime hug.
Bedtime hug.
Have a good night's sleep.
Have a good night's sleep.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Wake up time.
Wake up time.
Let's grab some breakfast.
Let's grab some breakfast.
Do you want some cereal?
Do you want some cereal?
Let's prepare.
Let's prepare.
Locate your shoes.
Locate your shoes.
Where is your backpack?
Where is your backpack?
Do you have your books?
Do you have your books?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Watch out when you cross.
Watch out when you cross.
Let's head to the park.
Let's head to the park.
Check out the ducks.
Check out the ducks.
Would you like to give them some food?
Would you like to give them some food?
Higher.
Higher.
Do you want to slide down?
Do you want to slide down?
Let's play tag.
Let's play tag.
You're the one.
You're the one.
Try to catch me if you can.
Try to catch me if you can.
Let's have a rest.
Let's have a rest.
Take a seat right here.
Take a seat right here.
Be careful not to make a mess.
Be careful not to make a mess.
Are you all set for school?
Are you all set for school?
Do you have your lunchbox?
Do you have your lunchbox?
Let's head to the bus stop.
Let's head to the bus stop.
Be cautious while walking.
Be cautious while walking.
Grab my hand.
Grab my hand.
Say farewell.
Say farewell.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
See you soon.
See you soon.
How was your day?
How was your day?
Can you share about school with me?
Can you share about school with me?
Did you discover something new?
Did you discover something new?
Did you discover something new?
Do you have any homework?
Let's work on it as a team.
Let's work on it as a team.
Snack time.
Snack time.
What do you want?
What do you want?
Let's go outside and play.
Let's go outside and play.
Go higher on the swing.
Go higher on the swing.
Go down the slide.
Go down the slide.
Let's play catch.
Let's play catch.
Throw the sphere.
Throw the sphere.
Grab it.
Grab it.
Kick the soccer ball.
Kick the soccer ball.
Go towards the goal.
Go towards the goal.
Let's take a stroll.
Let's take a stroll.
Check out the flowers.
Check out the flowers.
Can you spot a butterfly?
Can you spot a butterfly?
It's time to head indoors.
It's time to head indoors.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Let's enjoy a book.
Let's enjoy a book.s.
Which one are you interested in?
Which one are you interested in?
Flip the page.
Flip the page.
Locate your socks.
Locate your socks.
Let's brush your hair.
Let's brush your hair.
It's breakfast time.
It's breakfast time.
What would you like to have for dinner?
What would you like to have for dinner?
Have your milk.
Have your milk.